How to reset your forgotten HFM password. Are you on HFM and can't remember your login password? If yes, you are not alone. Forgetting passwords happen to the best of us, so luckily resetting your HFM password is quick and easy and it'll take a few minutes. First of all, launch open the HFM application or website and get to the sign in page. In the login screen, simply click on the forgot password link. Now on the next page, make sure that your email is correct, type it down and click next. Now, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and enter the 6-digit code that you received via email. Go check your email inbox and click open the email from HFM and copy the code inside it. Get back to the HFM app and paste in the code and click confirm. On the next page, you'll get to set a new password for your account. Enter the password by including the criteria underneath and repeat the password once again. Finally, click on confirm at the bottom. Now your password has been changed. You'll be redirected to the login page. Go ahead and enter the newly updated password. Finally, click continue and you have successfully gotten back to your account. Now, every time you try to log in, you'll need to make sure to enter the newly updated password. Resetting your forgotten password on HFM is easy and only takes a few minutes. Now you can trade confidently again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.